Analysing accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is a legally enforced claim for payment held by a business for goods supplied or services rendered that customers have ordered but not paid for. Analysing accounts receivable is important to any business as it allows any stakeholders, which include investors, creditors, and managers, to see how well the business collects and manages its receivables. When analysing accounts receivable, the first steps to start with are horizontal and vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis shows the percentage change in account balance by dividing the dollar change by the previous year balance. This is useful in comparing across different accounting periods. In this example, we can conduct horizontal analysis on the business's net sales by dividing the percentage change in account $3,000 by 2017's balance to produce a percentage of 1.03%. This demonstrates that the business's net sales have not fluctuated over these accounting periods. Vertical analysis, on the other hand, divides each account by either a business's total assets or their net sales to produce a percentage. This allows comparison to be made across different accounts of the business. Using the same set of data, vertical analysis is conducted by dividing the business's accounts receivable over their net sales for both 2017 and 2018, which produces percentages of 67.93 and 46.69 respectively. Another way businesses analyse their accounts receivable is through ratios. The accounts receivable turnover ratio compares credit sales over a period of time to average receivables during that same period. From this data, the business's credit sales divided by the average receivables is 7.87. This is the number of times per year this business will collect their accounts receivable. The days in receivable ratio is an extension from the accounts receivable turnover ratio and is calculated in days. In this example, the previous 7.87 will be used to show that the business takes 46 whole days to generate and collect their accounts receivable. Lastly, the allowance ratio compares a business's allowance for bad debts to their gross receivables to determine the percentage of receivables that are expected to be uncollectible in the future. Using the same example, the business has an allowance ratio of 8.4%, meaning that business expects 8.4% of their receivables to be uncollected. Ideally, a business wants this ratio to be as low as possible. As we can see, analysing accounts receivable through the horizontal and vertical analysis and the three ratios enables us to see that they all work together to give insights into a business's performance.